Welcome back to Primetime Sports. Sunday cricket is where we start, as a half-century from Nkrumah Bonner led the Jamaica Scorpions to a thrilling 5-wicket win over the Leeward Islands Hurricanes to record their second win in a row in the regional 4-day championship at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium today. With play extended by an hour due to morning showers, the Scorpions were set 137 runs for victory. The game came down to the final over with 25 runs to get before Bonner hit 3 sixes and a 4 from the first 4 deliveries. With 3 to get, Nina Henry bowled a no ball, with Bonner completing 2 runs to give the Scorpions their first home win of the season, 137 for 5. Bonner, who captained the Leewards in the past, was left not out on 66, with Jermaine Blackwood next best with 38. Rakeem Cornwall ended with 3 for 57, while Henry had 2 for 47. Earlier, the Hurricanes, resuming at 134 for 4, were dismissed for 294. Jamar Hamilton and Terence Ward, who were not out overnight, went on to score 54 and 74 respectively. Nicholson Gordon bagged 5 for 97 for the Scorpions, while Pete Salmon had 2 for 57. The Scorpions will next play the Guyana Jaguars at the same venue starting February 27.